Much of the world of philosophy up until the Enlightenment revolved around only a handful of sources. The most important of all of those sources was Aristotle. Pre Enlightenment philosophy loved Aristotle. Still, things changed. The Enlightenment was a period of intellectual and cultural movement in the 18th century that emphasized reason, science, and individualism. During this period, Enlightenment philosophers sought to challenge traditional ideas and beliefs and develop new ways of understanding the world. One reason that Enlightenment philosophers moved away from Aristotelian thought is that they believed that Aristotelian philosophy was based on outdated and unscientific ideas. Many Enlightenment philosophers were influenced by the scientific revolution of the 17th century, which brought about significant advances in natural sciences, and they saw Aristotelian philosophy as being incompatible with those advances. Another reason Enlightenment philosophers moved away from Aristotle is that they believed that Aristotle's philosophy was too focused on the past and did not adequately address the needs and concerns of the present. Enlightenment philosophers were concerned with issues and problems of their own time, and they saw Aristotle and his philosophy as being too tied to times that weren't relevant. Enlightenment philosophers also believed that Aristotelian philosophy was too focused on the community and the collective, and didn't adequately recognize the importance of the individual, which the Enlightenment was all about. Many Enlightenment philosophers emphasized the importance of individual freedom and autonomy, and they saw Aristotle as being too focused on the needs of the community at the expense of the individual. Overall, Enlightenment philosophy moved away from Aristotelian thought because they believed it was based on outdated and non-scientific ideas, it was too focused on the past, and it did not adequately recognize the importance of the individual. These criticisms played a significant role in the development of Enlightenment philosophy and the challenges it posed to traditional ways of thinking. Frankly, I think I'd take Aristotle over the Enlightenment, but that's just me.